This video introduces the gift recommendation application implemented by a group of students from Nanyang Technological University. It recommends Amazon products as gifts for Twitter users. Data crawling, indexing, querying, and classification techniques are used in this project. The project members are Zheng Zi, Ze Guo, Wang, Meng Jiao, and Xiaoxuan. Let's take a look at the queries and results. For demo purpose, we go to Twitter and find an user ID. Then we search for gift recommendations for this user. It recommends phone for this user. We can then find the gift in Amazon website. It's another example. The searching procedure is the same. You can see that different gifts are recommended for this user. Technical highlights of this project include the system architecture, data crawling from two sources, Twitter and Amazon, indexing and querying in Solr, and classification with Veka. This application uses two servers, Solr for indexing the data of Amazon gift information, and Django to run other business logics. It works as follows. The user or client will query by Twitter ID. In the backend, Django server will crawl the feed from Twitter in real time and generate keywords, which will then be passed to Solr server. The Solr server will use the keywords as a query to find related gifts and return to Django, which then will process the results and display to the client. Twitter data crawler module in the searching server utilizes Twitter API. Twitter account name is taken as input, and 10 tweets on the timeline are returned in JSON format. Text components are extracted. A set of keywords will be generated after tokenization, stop words removing, and stemming. Those extracted keywords generally reflect user preference. Amazon Data Crawler utilizes Amazon Product Advertising API. It provides search and lookup interfaces to access product information either through keywords or product ID. With predefined keywords and category set, more than 10,000 entries are crawled as corpus space for this project. Raw data returned by Amazon is XML with large percentage of irrelevant attributes. Thus, only those relevant attributes are extracted. For instance, product title, price, color, description, etc. We first set up the Solr server. Then use create command to create a new call on Solr. We post the data file in JSON format to the server by bin or post method. For demonstration purpose, we uploaded a relatively small datasets file. Solr server will auto-indexing the JSON file. To check the server status, we open the URL localhost 8983/Solr, then choose the core demo2 we just created. There are 1,496 docs added and indexed. Click on the Query tab and execute the default query. We can see the detailed record of the indexed data. We classify the category of products with Veka. Open Veka and load the pre-processed data record file, which contains the description and category of the Amazon products. Description are used as classification attributes and category as class label. We map the description into the word vector by clicking on the filter and select string to word vector and click apply. We will see the description has been mapped as the word vectors. Under Classify tab, we choose the target label and select a classifier. In this demo, we use the support vector machine classifier with the default parameter values. This is all the classification results. The creativity of this project lies in both the project ideas and the implementation details. It's always difficult to prepare nice gifts for friends that meet their demand. This project gives people clues and recommendations by analyzing friends' tweets, which disclose and reflects their interest. We combine classification with indexing and querying, so that if no recommendations matches users' expectations, they can think about new gift ideas in the relevant categories. We utilize result recommendations by removing not applicable recommendations based on the current season of the Twitter user's geographical location. For example, it is not a good idea to prepare a duck jacket for Singapore residents as a gift. In addition, ensemble classification technique is used to improve the accuracy of classification results. Thank you for watching.